Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to recycle and upcycle an empty cardboard box and turn it into a tall, beautiful mirrored vase to hold long stem flowers. Or it can also be placed by your front door to hold your umbrellas for those rainy days. To begin, I will show you the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. First, we will need a tall, empty cardboard box. The one I have chosen was used to package my handheld vacuum cleaner. The box is thick, rigid, and of very good quality. And although this video is not sponsored, I will also share with you that the vacuum cleaner works amazingly well. We will also need several mirrors. The number of mirrors and the size of the mirrors will depend on the size of your box. Here you see I have chosen a couple of varieties, two that are roughly 8 by 10 in size and a few that are smaller, square candle holder sized mirrors. I will also be using some mini mirror tiles. We will also be using some silver glitter contact paper, but if you don't have any on hand, you can also opt for silver metallic paint and silver glitter. For embellishments, we will also be using a couple of variety of clear acrylic gems. These ones were purchased in bulk from Alibaba and from Amazon. We will also be using some silver beaded necklace. And to give our vase some height, we will be building some legs. For that, we will need 4 silver ornament caps along with 4 large clear acrylic diamond-shaped gems. These are optional, but I will show you why later. To help us with today's project, we will need a good pair of scissors, or in my case, I'll be using an X-Acto knife. We will also need some clear tacky glue, some Fix-All, and our handy-dandy glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. To begin, use your X-Acto knife and remove the flaps from one end of the box. That will become the opening of the vase. Then, use the X-Acto knife and cut the tape holding the flaps from the other end of the box. But do not remove the flaps. Instead, apply some hot glue onto the flaps so they adhere together to form a secure base for the vase. Next, I'm going to remove the frame from two of my larger mirrors, and using some Fix-All and clear tacky glue, I'm going to adhere them both to the larger sides of the box towards the middle, one for each side. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. On either side of the mirror, the box will be exposed, but we will be covering the space with some beautiful clear gems. Once both sides are completely covered with the gems, check to see if there is any exposed cardboard box on the adjacent sides of the mirror. If so, you can continue to apply gems to that exposed area. For mine, the exposed area is very small, so I will be applying a row of silver beaded necklace using some hot glue. Then repeat on the flip side of the box. Then on the two smaller sides of the box, you can see I'm adhering two smaller mirrors. But before I do that, I'm going to lay down a piece of silver glitter paper on each of the ends because the box has some bright red design that I don't want to show through, and the two mirrors that I will be placing onto the box will not cover the entire side of this box. I will also use the same clear gems and silver beaded necklace to embellish this side of the box, but with a slightly different design pattern. And in case y'all wondering why I'm using 3 different types of glue for this project, I'll explain. I prefer to use the Fix-All when I need a very secure long-term hold for something that I don't want to come apart. Fix-All also does not dry immediately like hot glue, so I would still have time to adjust the placement of the object that I'm putting glue to. I prefer to use hot glue for something that I want to dry and cure quickly, and that does not require any strong hold, for instance, if it's for something lightweight. And I will typically use clear tacky glue for everything else. It dries quickly, but not as quickly as hot glue, and offers strong hold, but not as strong as Fix-All. And here you can see I'm also applying some mini mirror tiles where the box is exposed along the edge. And here is what the box looks like so far. It's really up to you how much embellishments you want to add. For me, I'm going to add more gems because the more bling, the better. And finally, when all four sides are done, flip the box so that the bottom of the box is facing up. Here I am applying a sheet of glitter contact paper cut to size to the base of the box. Next, to give the vase some height, we are going to make four legs out of the clear acrylic diamond-shaped gems. For this step, we will inject some hot glue into the opening of each of the four ornament caps. Then insert the pointy tip of the diamond-shaped gems into the opening of the ornament cap. Repeat until all four legs are completed. Then, using some hot glue, adhere each of the four legs to the base of the box, one on each of the four corners. Before you put the mirrored vase to use, make sure to use your favorite glass cleaner to wipe away any fingerprints or marks from the mirrors. And here's what our tall mirrored vase looks like so far. But we're not done yet. I'm going to show you a neat way to insert some long stem flowers into the vase for a beautiful arrangement. First, take some clear tape and apply a few strips to the opening of the vase in a crisscross fashion. Then start inserting the long stem flowers into the vase in between the strips of tape. And here is what the vase looks like with the flowers. And here is what it looks like with a different variety of long stem flowers. And if you're not much for flowers or don't have any on hand, then you can also place this tall mirrored vase by your front door and use it to hold your umbrellas. Let me know down in the comments whether I should use it as a flower vase or should I keep it in my front door to hold my umbrellas. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.